खबरो विस्तारान मायनिंगाचो परिणाम जाल्ल्या सुवाते बाबतीत चर्चा करपाक भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकरांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाला आमदारांची बिरेस्तारा बसका जाली. मायनिंगाचो मुद्दो सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निर्णया उपरांत गोंयांत गंभीर विशय जाल्लो आसा म्हण टीसीपी मंत्री विजय उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
The government was formed under the leadership of Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Mr. Manohar Parrikar is the chief minister, and the government, nobody is going to backstab Mr. Parrikar, especially when he is now facing an ailment. He is indisposed. So we are waiting for him to become all right. He is improving. He is likely to be discharged today. There is no threat to the government at all. However, we are committed to the leadership of Manohar Parrikar. See, the Congress has no right to demand anything about who should lead this government. Congress is in the opposition. But as an opposition, they have to do their job. So they are doing their job. They are trying to fish in troubled waters. And that is expected from the opposition. There was an assurance on the floor of the House that this very serious issue of ban on mining after the Supreme Court order has to be looked into with the seriousness it deserves. The assurance on the floor of the House was that an all-party delegation will call on the leadership in Delhi, the central government in Delhi, and push for resumption of mining, and that Goan mines should remain with Goan people. So in that direction, there is some meeting, which is an initial meeting, and we are delivering what we promised.
No.
So first step first is that let us get all the legislators across party affiliations on board with a consensus. In that direction, the first meeting has been called today. So let us not look at the hypothetical.
But you feel amicable solution will come for this?
Amicable solution cannot be suggested from outside the courts.
Okay.
Courts are involved. The central government is involved. Maybe Parliament could also be involved. So these are, as it comes, let us tackle it. First thing is to create consensus from within. Within is within the House. So in that direction, we are having the first meeting.